In this video, we are going to learn about the pentatonic scale. We are going to do 5 patterns of the pentatonic scale in the F minor pentatonic positions. A pentatonic scale is made of 5 notes. They are derived from the minor scale, which indeed is also derived from the major scale. So we are going to study the 5 pentatonic scale patterns in F minor pentatonic. Let's start with the first one. This is what it sounds like and looks like. Let's start by breaking it down. So we start with the first fret of the 6th string and the 4th fret. So 1, 4 with the first and the 4th finger. Then we go to the 5th string, fret number 1, 3 with finger number 1, 3. Then you go to the string number 4, play 1, 3, finger number 1, 3. String number 3, 1, 3 with finger number 1 and 3. String number 2, 1, 4 with finger number 1 and 4. And on the first, which is the E string, you play 1, 4 again. So it is 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. Slowly, if you do it, it is number 6, 1, 4, number 5, 1, 3, number 4, 1, 3, number 3, 1, 3, number 2, 1, 4, number 1, 1, 4. Another easy way to remember is on the 6th string it is 1, 4, on the first and the second string it is 1, 4, and on the other 3 strings, which is strings number 2, 3, 4, it's 1, 3. So now once we go to our second position, the second position is, in a way you can call it a mode, since we are starting with a different note. We are not starting with an F note in this position. It becomes the second pattern in the F minor pentatonic position scales. Let's check it out. This is the second pattern. What exactly we are doing is we are starting the same scale that we did on the first fret on the 4th fret. So instead of playing, we are playing. Just by playing the first note as a different note, it sounds very different because of the intervals. So here it is. Let's do it again slowly. String number 6, fret number 4 and 6 with finger number 2 and 4. Then 5th string, fret number 3 and 6 with finger number 1 and 4. Same thing you repeat on the 4th string. You play fret number 3, 6 with finger number 1 and 4. Then you go to the 3rd string, fret number 3 and 5 with first and 3rd finger. Then you go to the 2nd string, finger number 2 and 4 on the 4th and 6th fret. And then you go to the first string. You play the same number of the same frets, 4 and 6 with your 2nd and 4th finger. So once again, the numbers are 4, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, and the fingers are 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Let's go to the third pattern. The third pattern starts on the 6th fret of the first string. This is basically the third note in the first scale. So this is what the pattern looks like. Let's break it down. Frets 6, 8, 6, 8 on the next. Again on the fourth string it is 6, 8. So the 6th, 5th and 4th string we play frets number 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. You can use your first, second or your first, third finger. So I'm using my first and third finger. And on the third string you play 5, 8 with your first and fourth finger. So on the second string you play 6, 9 with your first and fourth finger. And on the first string you play fret number 6 and 8 with your first and third finger. Let's do pattern number 4. I'll just play it once and then we will break it down. So it starts on the 8th fret of the 6th string and you play 8, 11 with your first and fourth finger. Then you go to the 5th string, you play 8 and 11th fret again with your first and fourth finger. So then you go to the 4th string, you play fret number 8 and 10 with your first and third finger. Then you go to fret number 3 or string number 3 and play fret number 8 and 10. So 8, 11, 8, 11, 8, 10, 8, 10. Now on the second string, you play fret number 9 and 11 with your second and fourth finger so that it becomes easier to capture these frets on the box. So your first finger becomes free for the next note, which is the 8th fret on the first string and 11 with your fourth finger. So slowly. Let's go to the 5th position. In the 5th position, we are going to start on the 11th fret. This is what it sounds like. This is what it looks like. This is the last pattern, the pattern number 5. It starts on the 11th fret and you play 11, 13 with your second and fourth finger. Again 11 and 13 on your 5th string with your second and fourth finger. Then you play 10 and 13 with your first and fourth finger on the 4th string. And then on the 3rd string you play the same frets, which are 10 and 13 with your first and fourth finger. So once again, 11, 13, 11, 13, 10, 13, 10, 13, 11, 13 on the second string with your second and fourth finger again. 11, 13 on the first string with your second and fourth finger. So I'll play all the patterns together and show you once. I'll do it slower now. This same scale is transferable to any other position on the fretboard, but the bass note or the first note that you play, that will decide the name of the scale that you're playing. For example, if you're playing the same scale starting from the 5th fret, so it's going to be the first pattern, it will sound like this. Instead of 1 4 1 3 1 3, you're going to play 5 8 5 7 5 7 as it is. Only thing is you change where you start from. So for example, since the 6th string is an A note on the 5th fret, you start from 5, it becomes an A minor pentatonic scale. This is what it looks like. This is what you call a scale that is transferable. Most scales are transferable depending on how you play them. We are just going to break this down. So 5 8, same positioning, same fingers, only different part of the guitar. I'm going to play the I'm going to tell you the fret number first and then the fingers. 5 8 5 7 5 7 5 7 5 8 5 8. Fingers are 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1 4. For example, if you want to play the second position starting from A, so it basically becomes, now if it's the second position, it means that the first note is 2 on the 6th, because if you play it like this, this becomes your second note. So we are actually playing the F sharp minor pentatonic scale, but second position. Now the second position in this pattern is also called the pentatonic major scale, which we'll just play. So if it starts from A, this is what it sounds like, which is the 5th fret. And so on. You can just shift and transfer to any other part of the guitar. Depending on the first note and which pattern you play, it will become the name of the scale. There are many exercises which you can do. For example, you have to first of all just play it straight. For example, you have to play it up and down. Another way of playing is play 2 notes at the same time. So what I did was I played 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 etc. as per the scale. So instead of playing, I'll play. You can do it in threes or triplets also, which will sound like this.